Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step how to generate multiple images from a single prompt using Perchance AI for faster and more creative results in 2026. To generate multiple images from a single prompt, you should be specific in terms of description, so you would help the AI distinguish between them. In which case, I have already inputted my prompt for this one. And now the last thing to do is to add the shot. What kind of shot do I need? I'll choose wide angle. The color of it, I'll choose warm. The effect, it would be a golden R. The genre is epic and fantasy. The art style will be cinematic, shape, landscape, and how many? 32. Feel free to use your own preference for this one. After all of this, you can just hit generate and wait for all the pictures to generate. After waiting for a while, now you can see that there are multiple images from a single prompt. Now this has different varieties, so you can choose what image do you want. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.